Hello friends and welcome to Sunny Tech YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to make a mosquito killing game in code.of gamelab. So as you can see how the game will look like, and here I added a score system and a racket and bees. So before we start, give a like to this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, we'll add animations. So first of all, we will take background. So in the background section, you will see underground. Okay, and I will rename it as BG. Now in animals, I will take the mosquito image, as it is a bee, I know. Okay, and same I will copy it, but here what did. Okay, and then I have downloaded a racket image. Here it is. So you can see here. Now I will copy it. Okay, so now first I rename it as racket. So now I want to this racket in animation, up and down. Okay, so for that I copied it once, and then after, here you can see resize. Here I resize the canvas in 400 by 400. Click on resize. Okay, now use this move tool and bring it at center, and then here you can see the rotate button, so rotate it like this, and then here it is crop the sprite, so it will here cropped. Now click on the align image to center, then again crop it. So do this unless it stops like. Okay, now it's done. Same we are going to. Okay, now it's done. So now for mosquito, we will do the same. First I will resize the canvas, then I will use this to align it in the center, then I will rotate it, and this you can see flip vertical, so I will turn it. Now crop it, and it's done. Okay, so we have created our sprites, and if you want to increase its movement speed, here you can see the dial, you can increase it. Same for the bee you can do, so it's okay. Now let's start coding. So first of all, we will create a background. So I will write bg is equal to create sprite, and here I will give x 200 and y 200. Then we will add image. So bg dot set animation, and here I will label bg. Okay, so now I'll create a racket. So where racket is equal to create sprite. Now x I will give it 200. Sorry, not 200. Actually you can give whatever you want. Okay, because after that we will change its position using mouse. Okay, so racket we have created. Now we will add image. So racket dot set animation and label racket. Now we will create a mosquito or bee, whatever you can say. So variable bee is equal to create sprite, and here I will give its coordinate 420 and y. So y I will give it random. So for that I will write random number. In the random number we will make a parenthesis, and in that we will write minimum. So minimum I will keep 50 and maximum 350. So now in y-axis it will take a random number between 50 to 350. Okay, so every time its y position will be changed. Now we will add image. So b dot set animation, and here b. It is b. Okay, yes. So now in draw function we will write draw sprites. So now you can see the image is so large. So to fix it I will write racket dot scale is equal to 0.3. You can adjust it according to your choice. I will keep it this much only, and here you can see the B image. So here also I will change its scale 0.5. okay, and then we will give him velocity. So b dot velocity x is equal to, since it will move from right to left, so in x-axis, and it will be -3. So you can see, so we have created our sprites. Now in draw function we will write racket dot x is equal to world dot mouse x. Okay, and copy this line, paste it, and instead of x here you write y, and here also instead of x write y. So now it will move with the mouse. Okay, so now you can see that the bee is going out of the canvas and another bee is not coming. So for that we will write a condition that if b dot x is smaller than 0. Now see that b is moving from right to left. So after when it will go out of the screen, its position will be less than 0. Here you can see the position is 0 here. So after that -1 -2 means less than 0. Or when we hit the B, it will go down. So here I will write or. So for writing or, we are giving two lines, or b dot y is greater than 400. So when the B will move out of the canvas, means here you can see 400, so it will, after that it will be 401 and 2, means it is out of the canvas. Okay, So now we will give means reposition the b. So b dot x is equal to same here 420, so 420 only, and b dot y is equal to random number here 50 minimum number and maximum 350. Okay, so now let's test it. So you can see here it came. Now we will kill the mosquito. So for that we will write if mouse pressed over, okay, and here sprite means b. So when mouse will pressed over b dot, so we will move it down. So first of all we need to set velocity x to 0, otherwise it will come down, and at the same time it will move right side also, so it will move diagonal. Okay, so to stop it we will give velocity x 0 and b dot velocity y is equal to in bottom, so I will give 8. Okay, and okay, now when we press mouse button over b, and then the b will be killed. So we want to change its animation, so I will write b dot set animation, and in quotes we will write b dead. Okay, so you can see when we press here its animation changed. So now you can see that it is not coming, because here you can see that if it will be out of 400, its position is x will be 420 and y random here, but its velocity is changed in velocity y. So here we have to write velocity x is equal to, same you are going to write -3, and velocity y is equal to 0. Okay, so let's test. Here I killed the bee. Okay, wait a minute. Oh, sorry, here B, I forgot to write the name of this sprite, so B. So I killed it, but now you can see that its animation. So here we will again write b dot set animation. Animation I will write b. So it's dead, and you can see. And now we will create a variable score, and we will assign its value 0. And now when we will here, when mouse pressed over B, okay, where we are killing the bee, we will increase our score by 1. Okay, now we want to display the score. So here I will write first text size 10, fill. So as you know, fill is used to fill the color of the text. Here I will write white, and then we will write small t text and score plus score x. I will give it here 300, x 300, and y I will give 25. So let's take a recap. So first of all, we added animations, okay, and then after we have created 3 sprites, that is one for background, racket, and bee. At the same time we have created score, and then in draw function we have set the racket's x and y position according to the mouse, so that it will move with the mouse. Then we wrote a condition that if b x coordinate will be less than 0, means in negative, or b y will be greater than 400, means out of the canvas, so b position will, so I was saying that b's position will be 420, its x position, and b's y position will be random between 50 to 350, and its velocity x will be -3 and velocity y will be 0, and we will set its animation b. So after that, when we press over b, so the b will die. So after that we will change its animation, means image. Then we have set its velocity x 0 and velocity y 8, so that it may move downwards, and we have increased our score by 1. Okay, then after we have displayed our text. So let's test it. Here score is little bit smaller, so I will write 20. Okay, so in text size we have to give parenthesis. Okay, so you can see here's our game. So let's test it out. You can see our score is increased by 1, and again our B game. Like this, you can make this game more difficult by giving it game states and writing a condition that if score is greater than means 10, then its means B's velocity will increase. Okay, so if you like this video, give a like to this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.